You Matter Walk 2024, what a blessed day. And I want to say thank to everybody to make this day worthwhile.
I'm doing the You Matter Walk in commemoration of some loved ones that I've lost to suicide.
One of my friends, Dion.
My lieve vriendin Miranda.
I just thought of the boy in our street who committed suicide.
I, for one, have a family member who is very struggling at the moment.
Everybody is struggling. The mental illness was never really discussed. So people struggled in silence, and we need to break that silence.
We must stop losing friends and children and that because of that. So help people.
Baie mense dink depressie is nie regtig nie en baie mense dink dis 'n lang ding. Dit is nie 'n lang ding nie. In 1 sekonde kan jy besluit ek het nie iemand om mee te praat nie. Dis hoekom ons hier is vandag. Daar is mense met wie jy kan praat.
You are not alone in that battle. There's someone who cares about you. There's someone that you can talk to.
So today I felt it's much important if I do this for her.
Take care of yourself. There's nothing much better than your life.
There is hope in life.
Vir almal van daai mense wat voel dat hulle nie gesien word nie, hierdie is vir julle. We see you.
Hier is vir jou.
We had lots of people joining us, and I think we're really jointly having an impact and helping people to realize that they matter. So thank you so much, everyone, for contributing to You Matter this year, and see you next year.